Hey guys, coming at you from the headquarters. Right now we're about to do the Samsung Z Flip 5G unboxing. It's the unlocked variant. Stay tuned to this video. And it's about to start now.
How we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be.
Guys, and look at what we have here. We have the Z Flip 5G, guys. The Z Flip 5G, the unlocked version. Yeah, this is the model number SMF707U1. So we are looking at the specs. This uses a Snapdragon 865 plus processor with 256 gigs of RAM, or memory with 8 gigs of RAM. We're looking at a 12 megapixel wide angle lens with a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle. It does have HDR. It's 4K 60 frames per second, 1080p also. And it has a 10 megapixel main shooter. And it has a 32-bit tuned by 8kg sound processor, 6.7 inch screen, foldable AMOLED screen, and it does have nano SIM technology and the eSIM technology as they claim, but we will have to see if this is true or not, because we were promised this with the S20 Ultra and S20 Plus, and we have not seen anything. And it does have also a fingerprint sensor on the side. It's probably the power button, and it's a 3300 milliamp battery with a fast charging 9-watt charger. Let's take this thing apart. Let's open this box up. Let's see what the heck is in this damn thing. Guys, I kind of like ripped it open. It kind of came a little ripped open, but let's see here. We got where it says Z to the Z, flip to the flip, guys. Z to the flip, flippity flip. We got the nice Samsung SIM tool. Let's see, does it come with a case like the last one? They cheap out this time because the last one came with that clear stick-on case. The last Z Flip. Let's see. Let's pull it out. Let's see what's in the box. Z Flip unlocked. Quick reference guide. And that's it, guys. They did not include a case this time. Wow, they cheaped out. Let's see here. Then you got your little future meets your Z Flip thing. Okay. And you got your care instructions to tell you how to take care of it. Yep, do not press the screen until the camera. There you go. Your device contains magnet, keep safe distance. Okay, so we know all that. This is how she looks like, guys. Amazing. Now let's see what's under here. So we got the Z Flip Premier Service. So you get 24-hour customer service, 1-year screen replacement offer, one-time out of warranty screen replacement offer on your purchase for a special price of $119 plus tax. If you purchase a Z Flip before December 31st, 2021. Okay, there you go. Then you got your brick. It says it's supposed to be 9 watts, but it looks like it's bigger than 9 watts. Let's see here. Let's check these specs out. It's 9 volt, 2.0 watt amp. It's USB-A, guys. USB-A. It says fast charging. Man, no headphones this time. Last year we got or the last Z Flip we got 8 kgs. No 8 kgs this time. So the cord we have is USB-A to C. Cheap cord. You know, we won't even bother taking it out because it's cheap. Probably won't even end up using the charger. We'll just probably end up using another charger I have. This is really cheap, guys. And it had the slot here where the headphones would be included, but of course, you know, no headphones. So we'll just put that back in the box. Put the charger back in the box if there's nothing else. Usually it came with a USB-C dongle, USB-A to C. It didn't come with that either this time. So they did a El Cheapy move, guys. So let's pop the plastic. So here, let's get this Just get this damn shit out of here. Excuse the language, guys, but let's get it out of here. There you go. Get that out of here. Let's turn this on. There you go, zflip 5G. Here you go. Here's the first flip, guys. We'll do the first flip. Ah, yeah. Little display. Wow.
Voice assistant on. Samsung setup wizard. No SIM. Insert SIM card. Samsung setup wizard. Screen turned off. Screen turned on. Accessibility. Screen turned off. Screen.
Oh, I turned accessibility on. Oh, guys, hold on. Let me figure this out real quick and I'll come right back. Alright, guys, let's set this bad boy up. See here. Oh. Skip. I just want to get to the phone already. Turn that. We don't like to send our personal usage information over to Google. The fingerprint sensor is right there, so we're gonna set up a fingerprint real quick. So continue. We're gonna do a pin, and for the purposes of the video, we use 7112. We'll use the same as we did on the other video for the Rebel. Why not? It's easy to remember. So let's do this. It is current. Okay, so it wants the whole sensor. Okay. Okay, let's see here. All done. Done. And there we go, guys. There she is. She is loaded. We got a camera. Of course, you know we gotta check her out. We got the regular lens. And we got the ultra wide lens. Okay, we got single take. We got, of course, her video. We got pro, panorama, food, night, live focus, live video focus, pro video, slow motion, super slow-mo. We got hyperlapse, which is not bad. Then you got your Bixby vision and your AR. Not bad features for the camera, guys. I mean, overall, it looks like a pretty decent phone. Let's see what it's running on so far. Software, we're running on Android 10. Now let's see the SIM status. I want to see if this thing does have the eSIM capabilities. Okay, so that's not going. Let's see. Let's go to cellular. Because to me, you know, guys, cellular is a big thing. Well, since we don't have a SIM card in here, let me pop a SIM card in real quick and we'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, I'm updating the phone right now real quick. I did put AT&T SIM on there, so I'm gonna let this update and then I'll be right back. Guys, we did put the AT&T SIM card in here, and we are gonna do a speed test on AT&T LTE versus AT&T 5G low band with this phone. We're going to compare it. And of course, it decides to take a dump. We got 1 2.75 down with 3.89 on the upload. And then we're just going to do a quick comparison between, because these both are in the same QCI. It's a QCI 6 Business Elite. So we'll compare with the S20 Ultra. And by far the S20 Ultra on LTE is doing a lot better. We are doing right here 200 down. And about 12.7 on the upload. We're gonna do one more test on the Ultra, on the Z Flip, and we're gonna see if maybe it just needed, since I just put it in Samsung band selected the LTE, maybe it needed to just aggregate. And remember guys, these are both on Business Elite QCI 6. $168 by 2.10 upload. Now let's see the bands, what bands these phones are connecting to. Is it connecting to the same tower or what? Because it just does not make sense, guys. That is that much of a speed difference. But the Z Flip 5G has a better processor. So 20 megahertz of band 2, band 6610, 1210, 6610. So that's total of, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 50 megahertz of spectrum. Okay, and let's see if the speeds are equivalent. They're pretty close. Alright, let's do this on this phone now. Okay, so let's start the test. And then let's pull out the, okay, so this one band 220, band 6610, band 1410, and band 6610. So it's using band 14 on this one, versus on this one it was using band 12. But it's the same spectrum, 50 megahertz. But the difference in the upload is tremendous difference. Okay, and now we're gonna turn on the 5G, guys, and give you input with this 5G on the low band. We just want to test the modem, guys, because the reason why is we want to see if it's not like the last Z Flip where it was a Z flop. That thing was a POS, bro. Like it was no good. It was a 2x2 MIMO modem. Okay, so on the 5G we're getting 187 down, and now the upload is going up. It's 6.38. So it actually seems like it makes a difference. Now let's turn on Samsung band select on and turn on the 5G on this phone and see what the difference is going to be between the Ultra and the Z Flip 5G. Let's see here. So 137 by 13.6. The Z Flip had 29 ping, the Ultra had 28 ping. So I don't know, guys. I mean, the modem seems cool, you know, on this phone. I think it's an X55 if I'm not mistaken. I mean, like I said. So let's see here, front-facing camera, guys. Of course, we're recording with the Moto Edge Plus. See, it has a decent front-facing camera, and it gives you ultra wide. So that's a nice little feature. I will include some pictures at the end of the video so you can see the camera design. So other than that, guys, I mean, it's a decent phone. It's not bad so far. We are gonna do intensive testing on this phone because I want to see the durability, and of course, you know, I want you guys to hear this. You get to do the slap. That's right, guys, the slapperoonie. And then, if you guys remember back with the flip phones, you know, you do the little and you flip it up. You get to do that too. So stay tuned, guys. And also, let's check this one feature out real quick that we were supposed to check. Let's see, does it show up a second IMEI on this phone? No second IMEI, guys. No second IMEI. So that means I don't know what Samsung is really doing on the eSIM situation, but they're really screwing this one up. The S20 Ultra, S20 Plus they come with two IMEIs on the box, and there's no eSIM capability on it. This is supposed to have an eSIM, and same thing. The only thing I do notice about the display on this phone is you do notice the crease line. The crease line is very noticeable on this phone. Supposedly they said the new Razr, they actually beat this, so we will be getting that phone too, so we can do an apples to apples comparison, guys. I mean, it has the like that matte glass that the iPhone has in the back, so it's pretty cool. And then let's see the little front touch display. It's only like a 1.1 inch screen, so I guess you can play your music, and you know, you see your time notification. Wow. Okay, and that's really all you can do with the front. So stay tuned to the channel, guys. I appreciate everything. Everything you guys do, so just stay tuned in the description down below. There'll be links to all the social media. We got the Periscope. We do a lot of Periscope lives, the Twitter. We got the Instagram, the Facebook. We also have the links for PayPal and Cash App for any small occasional monetary donations to the channel. Greatly appreciated. And thank you, guys, and we will catch you on the next one. And I will include pictures, like I said, at the end of this video. Peace.